With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So in this question it is asked that which one of the following equations does not correctly represent the first law of thermodynamics for a given process. So from the first law of thermodynamics, it is first law of thermodynamics written as in the equation form as U equals to Q plus W. So this is the first law equation, and where U is our internal energy, and Q is our heat, and W is our work done. So these are the terms which is associated with the first law equation. So if we check the options here, that the process is isothermal with Q equals to minus W. So we have to tell that which option does not correctly represent the first law of thermodynamics. So for option A, for isothermal process, that is, in the case of isothermal, what happens is that temperature is constant, so the change in temperature will be 0, and in constant temperature our internal energy change, that is delta U, is also 0. That means that U is 0, internal energy is 0. So if we put 0 in the equation here, that is, it gives out 0 equals to Q plus W, which equals to Q equals to minus times W. So by this statement is correct. So this is not our answer. Now moving on to the second condition which is given here, that when expansion of gas occur in vacuum. So in this case, when work done occur in vacuum, that is free space, it is always 0. That is, work done is always 0. And if we look at option, so this option is also correct, because in the case of vacuum work, the work done is 0 because it is occurring in the free space. That is, there is no external pressure involving in it. That's why the work done is 0. Now the third option here, which is states that for adiabatic process, delta U is equals to Q. So what is adiabatic process? So adiabatic process is nothing. It is a process. Adiabatic process. It is a process in which any process which takes place at a constant heat. That is, the heat change is 0. That is, no heat evolve in the process. So in adiabatic process, what happens is that heat is 0. So if we put this in your equation, that is U equals to Q plus W, and when we put the equation, we get Q0 plus W, and we get U equals to W. So in this case, in the case of adiabatic process, what happens is that in that no heat change take place. That is, our heat is 0. So we put the heat value here, we get U equals to W. So our third option is stating that for adiabatic process, delta U is equals to Q. So this is the incorrect regarding the first law of thermodynamics. Now if we check the fourth statement here, process at constant value, delta U equals to Q. So now check that. So in thermodynamics, the work done is basically given as minus times P delta V. So when at a constant volume, what happens is that the net change in volume will be 0. So our work done comes out to be 0. So when we put that in our equation, that is u equals to q plus w, we get u equals to q. So this 4 option is also correct and it is satisfying the first law of thermodynamics. But option C here is not satisfying the first law of thermodynamics. So as we see that in adiabatic process, the heat value is 0. So that's why this is the correct option here, because it does not representing our first law of thermodynamics. I hope you get the answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.